This First Choice Realtors property video is presented by Karri Porter. Move right into this home and make it yours. This 3-bedroom 1-bathroom home has it all. Windows replaced 2017, with lifetime transferable warranty. Furnace and air conditioner replaced 2017, remodeled bathroom 2018, new flooring in the kitchen, living room, and master bedroom 2020, and new fence on one side 2020. Great location in town. Level fenced-in backyard with a great deck. Oversized 2-car detached garage has enough room for a workshop area. For more information, review the details below.